How to add credit or debit card on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, you'll find Account Center at the top. Click on Account Center at the top. Then click on MetaPay in here after you scroll down. In MetaPay, you'll find Add Debit or Credit Card. Click on it. Now you can add your card number, month, year, your country, address, city, and press on Save at the bottom, and you will add your credit or debit card. This is how to add credit or debit card on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.